Hi, this is a guide which is going to show you how to install batteries in your OjiTouch Smart Lock. How to install batteries in the OjiTouch Smart Lock. You take the screwdriver, turn the digital keypad to the rear side, you push the rubber pad upwards and then two screws would be revealed. Just unscrew them using the screwdriver. And the front cover would easily come off. This reveals 4 enclosures for batteries. Input 4 AAA batteries. Once the batteries are placed, then you put the front cover back and then harness the screws using the screwdriver. Just tighten it all and it's fixed. Put the rubber pad back, the keypad lights up.